first thing you do is you install the bracket on the lid, and to put it in position, you measure 3 inches to the beginning of the bracket, and you drill holes with a 21/64 drill bit. Stick a bolt in the hole that you just drilled to hold it into place. Then we're going to do the same thing to the front of the trailer. Anyway, prop the lid up with the bed. Carriage bolts with flat washers, and we're going to put them in from the inside out. There's these little foam things to help keep it waterproof. Put one on each of the 8 bolts. Now we're going to bolt the bracket on. Use a lock washer and a 1/2 inch nut. After you got them on there, you need a 1/2 inch ratchet. I'm using an air ratchet just because it's handy. The only thing I've done in advance is I've used electrical tape to take up the slack between the bracket and the chain bolt. The chain bolt is obviously smaller than the bracket, and by doing this, that allows the bracket to be exactly in the center of the bracket, so it'll slide in and out easy. So, take this, insert it into this bracket, and go in all the way in the top part. The measurement from here to this next bracket is 6.5 inches, and that's when it's propped open. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do this next part. On most units, this bracket will probably hold the lid open while you drill it. It's probably a good idea to have a friend, if you have one handy, to hold the lid just to make sure it doesn't move while you're drilling it. And then go ahead and drill. Okay, and then we're gonna close the lid for a minute. And then once you have all the bolts in place, go ahead and fold the lid back up. We're gonna prop the 2 pieces together. Okay, and then put the lock washer and nut on all of these bolts. If you've done everything correctly, at this point you'll be able to insert this bolt, and it should slide right in there like that. So there you have it.